the Susan Rupert Group, your trusted real estate advisor for the State College, PA area. Here is your real estate tip. How to prepare your house for a winning sale this spring. First off, wash all the windows inside and out. Give your entry a facelift. Make sure all exterior lights are working. Power wash the outdoor surfaces. Paint or replace the street number on your house. Give every room a purpose. Let the light in. Declutter your house and clean everything and fix anything that is broken. Whether you need a list of great local contractors or recommendations on what to fix and replace, let's connect to make sure your house is ready for top dollar sale this spring. We look forward to working for you, and be sure to connect with us at the Susan Rupert Group on Instagram.